Hello students, how are you all? So as our PT1 are just about to start, so today we will discuss the question answers of our chapter 1, the fun they had. So let's discuss. First question that we have from the thinking about the text, it is how old are Margie and Tommy? So we have read the chapter and we can give the answer of this question very easily, that Margie is 11-year old and Tommy is 13-year old. So just look here, how old are. So in the question they are asking in the present form. So we will give the answer also in the present form, that it's not, you can write that Margie was, we will write Margie is 11-year-old and Tommy is 13-year-old. Okay. So what did Margie write in her diary? This is the next question. What did Margie write in her diary? Here it's mentioned did. So we will give the answer of this question in the past form. What did Margie? So at the starting of the chapter when we have read, we got the information here regarding what she was writing in her diary, that Margie wrote in her diary as per the date, that today 17th May 2157 Tommy got a real book. Now let's discuss our question number 3rd. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Had Margie ever seen a book before? So we can give answer of this question very easily. No, Margie had never seen a book before, because she was teaching with the help of the robotic teacher and she was working everything on the screen of the robotic teacher. She had never seen a book before ever in her life. Next question is, what things about the books did she find the strange? So what were the things that she find were strange regarding the book? So the answer of this question is what? That she find that the pages of the books were yellow and wrinkled, and she find the word of the book were also strange, that they were turning over with the page of the book. So these both the things she find that it was strange about the book. Next question is, what do you think a telebook is? So here we have to give the definition of what is telebook. What is telebook? Telebook is a book that is meant for computer screen or for any robotic screen. It is meant for a television screen. This is the book which we can see on a television or a television screen, and here the pages of the screen are turning over with the help of, when we are turning over the pages, and this is just work as a book on a computer screen. Now let's discuss our next question. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Here we have two questions in the single one. First of all, where was Margie's school? So Margie's school was where? Margie's school was just next to her bedroom. Here she was having a robotic teacher and she was learning with the help of that robotic teacher. Did she have any classmate? No, she did not have any classmate, because she was studying, reading everything at her own home. So she did not have any classmates. So next question is, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? So here we have to mention the subject, and what subject did Margie and Tommy learn. Margie learned geography and mathematics, and Tommy learned history and mathematics. So their subjects were a bit different, as Tommy was 13 years and Margie was 11. So this is the thinking about the text we have done. So here you can see these are all our short questions, very short questions, one line answer we can say, and all questions are easy. I hope it's clear to you that how you can give, if it will come in your PT1 as in the form of very short answer type questions. Students, now we are going to discuss further all the question answers, the short question answers we can say from the chapter 1. First of all, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? So, what is the question? What kind of teachers, as per the chapter, did Margie and Tommy have? So what is the answer of this question? Margie and Tommy both have mechanical teachers, or Margie and Tommy both were taking study with the help of computer teacher or the robotic teacher. So their school was just next to their bedroom, and they all were daily doing study with the help of the mechanical teacher. Now next question is, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Why exactly Margie's mother called the county inspector? The reason was behind that she called the county inspector is that Margie's performance in the geography section was very bad. Her marks were very bad. Her performance was very poor day by day. That is why Margie's mother called the county inspector to confirm that what was the reason behind that she was performing very bad every day, especially in the geography section. That is why she called the county inspector to confirm that where was the fault exactly, why she was performing very poor especially in the geography section. What did he do? He is here the county inspector. So he refers to the county inspector. What did he do? So what exactly the county inspector do? County inspector took apart the mechanical teacher, the robotic teacher. He opened up the mechanical teacher, and then he observed that the geography section of the computer was geared a bit fast, not as per the level of an 11-year-old girl. So the county inspector geared it, he fixed it as per the level of an 11-year-old girl. So the problem was sorted out. Why was Margie doing badly in the geography section? And one more question we have here in the same one. What did county inspector do to help her? So we will give the first question answer first. So first come first, why was Margie doing badly in geography? Why was she performing very badly in the geography? Because the robotic teacher, the mechanical teacher, was taking test after test from Margie, and the speed of the robotic teacher, computer teacher, was very fast, not as per the level of not as per the level of the Margie, or not as per the level of an 11-year-old girl. That is why her marks were very poor. Then, what did the county inspector do to help her? County inspector opened up the computer, he took apart the computer, he observed that the section of the geography was geared a bit fast, he slowed it down as per the level of an 11-year-old girl, and everything was afterwards sorted out. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? So, when Margie and Tommy were talking in the chapter, Tommy explained to Margie that once my computer was also not working well, and my mother called the county inspector, and they took away my computer for near a month. So what happened exactly, Tommy's teacher? So Tommy's teacher was also not working well once, and the mechanical teacher, the computer teacher, his history area was totally blanked out. Tommy was not able to find nowhere in the mechanical teacher the history section. So they called the county inspector, and they all took away the computer teacher for nearly a month. And this was the time of relaxation. This was the time when Tommy enjoyed a lot, because no teacher was there to teach him at home. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? As per the chapter, after reading, you have to give the answer of this question. Yes, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? Margie had regular days and hours for school, because when Tommy and Margie, they both were reading the book, Margie's mother called to Margie that, come on Margie, it's time to attend the school. So after reading these lines, we can say yes, Margie had regular days and hours for the school. But Margie's mother was always thinking that small children should regular towards their study, and small children should daily attend their school, because it's really good for their mind. So we can say yes, she was attending her school daily. Our last question is, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? So what things Tommy described to Margie about the old kind of school? He said, in the old era, all students were going in a special kind of building to study, to do the study, and that special kind of building was called school, was named school. Students, near about 20 and 20 to 30 students were attending the same class, and they were taught by the human teacher at that time, and they all were getting the same homework. They all were enjoying and playing together, and we can say that the old kind of school was like fun for the students. So here we have completed the discussion of the question answers of our chapter 1. Students, you have to learn all these question answers very carefully, and you have to do hard work. You have to show your best in our PT1. You all will put your best efforts to complete our PT1 test. So stay safe inside your house and take care of your personal hygiene. Wash your hands again and again. Thank you.